What is safe? You ask what is the foreign key? Simple definition, practical definition, not a subject definition. No? That will be general. So what do you say? Which example you will give? Suppose interview ask what is the foreign key? You'll ask this because this is pressure. I mean, you'll be going as a fresher. Huh? They'll ask this because once these fundamentals are very strong, right? You can do anything. What do you answer? Simple way. Which example you will take? Hello? Are you able to hear me? Hello? See the chat window.
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Hmm. How do you define foreign key if anybody asks? Which examples will you take? What example I have taken in the last session? Hmm?
Sorry, employee and department level.
Hmm. So you can take as employee table and department table. Which table is master table? Which table is the child table? In both that employee department tables. So which table is master table? Which table is the child table?
Employee table is
the
master table.
Correct, correct. Right? Because once the employee joined, then only you will be assigned to the training department. That is the reason. Okay. In one line, what you can answer? So for data integrity, right? So that correct data is you are going to maintain in the department tables. That is the main thing, right? Any challenges while you are creating the foreign key? Have you able to are you able to create it of or not? So if you have any challenge, right, you can share the screen. I'll guide you. So what we do is quickly we'll go to one more concept of the domain, huh? Okay, and we'll get into SAP. We are having the SAP system access, log into SAP system. Okay. So what we do is we'll go to one other new concept. Okay, it's called as a domain for giving the fixed values. So is also one data type here. Domain. Okay. Okay. This is the domain. This is the domain. We will create this is also one data type. And a domain can be used only with respect to data elements. This is the data element 1. Data element 2. Okay. Data element 3. So all three these data elements with different description, you can make it to have one domain only. Yeah. This domain here like this. It's also one data type. Data type that can be used only inside the data element. Okay, data element. So let us create a, right? We have created already employee table, employee number, employee table and all, right? Sorry, employee name and all here. Right, employee details here, for example, here. Right, how many fields are there in this table? How many fields?
Four.
How many fields, total fields are available? Total fields. How many fields? How many you can find here?
4 fields.
4 fields, right? What is the primary key here? How many primary keys are there?
1.
One only. Call as composite primary key. So how many fields are there in the primary key? How many fields are there in primary key?
2.
2, correct, because this 2 has been checked. So this will be the unique key combination here. Okay. What is the data element? It will tell here. If you, in this scenario, right, in this screen, no, what do you say? What is the, if anybody ask here, right, go to this screen, no, tell me what is the data element? Simple question. What do you say? Think and tell me. What is the data element? They will ask a simple question. Hmm? See the screen, you can tell, right? By seeing my screen, you can tell. With the data element, what you are giving? What is you are using?
Fields by fields we are naming, determining the data element.
No, no, no. What we are doing is this data element will give you the data type to the field. Got the point? This
Okay.
will tell you what data type information you are going to store inside this field. Same here as well. For this field, if you have created a data type like this is the data element, is nothing but data type only, global data type. So you are giving the data type to this field and this field also. So data element is reusable or not? You can use in multiple tables. This is what we did yesterday, right? Last class. Employee table, employee number be created, right? The same data element, employee number data element, we have used in the department table and employee table. Both. That's the concept. But if I go to here, so we can use the data element in more than one table. Okay. Now what I do is I'll create one more field as a gender. For that field, I will create a domain so that you will get a fixed values as M and F, either M or F. Open your employee table. You might have created an employee table. Do it parallel with me. Stuck up here. System stuck on it. Are you able to connect system? Your system is working, SAP? Hello?
Yes, sir.
For you, people's system is working, your system is working. SAP?
Yes, sir.
Why is not working for me? Okay, I think not to lose the time. Anyone of you can share the screen, I'll guide you. Share your screen, I'll guide you what you should do. Connect to SAP. Whoever is connected to SAP, will share your screen. Rupa, you can share the screen.
So we are unable to share the screen, like it was disabled.
Try to, you are connected to laptop only, right?
Yes, sir. Like it is saying post has disabled the share screen.
I not got any request for you to share, to approve it. Okay, I'll make you host. Okay, I can share it, no problem. I'll make you host. I made you host. You can share it. Right, this is employee table, right? Okay, good, very good. Go to last column, last field. You add one more new field as a gender. 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 So data elements start with Z. You can follow the same namings what you followed in the above. Press enter. Click on S. Click on S. Good. Go ahead. Same thing. Give short description here also as a gender. No. Here, what we do is we don't give the data type here. Okay. There is a domain radio button here below elementary type. Choose that. Give here. Save it here. Click on save button. Save button. Saved. Yes, give your package. Save it. Right, enter. Right, you should maintain the string label. Same steps what you have done in the earlier. Go ahead, short text. All right, after that, go to data type button. Give here starting with the Z domain name. After domain, there is a box right there. Starting with Z. Same naming styles. It should be meaningful, right? Z gender underscore D you can give, or last in the at the last you can give D for domain. Enter. Right? Press enter. So double click on the name of the domain. Double click on that. Click on S. Click on S. Okay. Same as usual with the domain short description. It should be meaningful. Short description. Your data type as character. Right? Number of characters you can give as a 1. Go to value range tab. There is a tab value range. This is called tab in SAP. Right here, you can give right. I mean like M and F. M as fixed. In the fixed column, give as a value M or M. And in the short description, give as a mail. Male and female. We are writing gender information. F for female. Save it. Check syntax. Save it. Right? Syntax check. Right? We have to activate again. Right. Next to right, click on back button here. Click on back. No, he is not activated. You should activate the data element also. Double click the data element. Look, click on back. Same syntax check, activate table. Right. Now, how do you insert the data into this table? Through which transaction code user will enter? User will enter data.
SN30.
Which transaction code?
SN30.
Yes. Go to /o sm30. Alt tab. Maybe if you have already opened. Alt tab. Yeah, not open. So one more open, one more session. /o sm30. No. You can cancel this one in the same skin, no? Same session, no? /o sm30. /o, right? O means open. /o sm30. SM30. Not SN, SM30. Right? Enter. Right? And do the table name. Copy paste the table name. Alt tab. Copy the table name. Right? Click on edit here.
The maintenance style for is
Hmm.
income.
Correct. So what we should do? What is this error? We saw, right? Almost every day we are seeing this error. Anyone can answer this question? Problem? Hello? Anyone?
Sir, we need to go to the table maintenance children.
Correct. Perfect. Very good. Alt tab. Go to Alt tab. Right. Go to the table. Right. Which step we should go here? From here?
Delivery and menu.
Utilities, right? You have to go to utilities.
Oh,
Utilities button. Fourth menu. Table menu generator. Right? Copy paste authorization group. Search that option, search option. Search there is ampersand NC ampersand. Do you see there is one option is there, ampersand NC ampersand. Ampersand NC ampersand. There is there only. Ampersand up. No, go a little bit up. There only, right? 1, 2, 3, fourth one. Ampersand NC ampersand. Yes, that one only. Not came.
yes.
Yes, right. Now what we should do? Anyone can tell me? What is the next step in this can we should do? What is that ampersand NC ampersand will do?
Sir, it shows there is no authorization group.
Anyone, what we should do here? After that, authorization function group. Copy paste the table name, the function group. From the top, table name is there, right? That copy paste into function group. What it will do if you do this one? Anyone can answer for this question? What happens when you give the function group name? Table name as a function group name. It create a function group with this name. Now, what is the next button we should click here?
Oh, screening.
Mm-hmm.
You have to give the O screen and single screen.
Oh, so screen numbers, right? Give screen numbers here. Give screen numbers. So you can give any number, okay? Not only 100, 200, maybe screen number 1 or 2, anything you can give, okay? Now that should be clear. Next, what button should click here? Create button. There's a left side, top left side, create button. Before find screen numbers. Left side. Left side. Left side. Before find screen numbers. There is a find screen numbers option. Below that.
Sorry.
Yes, yes. Click on that button. So 1 second, hold on. See what is we are doing this one here? Anyone can think and tell me when you click on creative, what will happen? It will create a skins and programs. Let's choose the package, click on save. 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 Again click on save. Enter. Click on again save. System is generating the skins now. Right now go to Alt tab. Go to the SM30 Alt tab. Click on back. Right, again go to SM30. Click that, give there SM30. Directly, non/1 not required here. Because this is the main skin. Go SM30. Enter. Click on now edit. Right now you don't get that error. Right, click on now new entries. Right, you can give the department number. Right, department, you can give it anything. The department table or employee table?
Department. Oh, I did the name wrong. So it's employee name.
Right, employee name. Okay. You can give no employee name. You can give. Okay. You can go date of joining also. You can search. Employee salary can give. So gender here it comes automatically because from the domain concept actually. Search, this is search option. Save it now. Okay. So this domain can be used in multiple data elements. Okay. Where in which scenarios and all is required, right? This is one scenario. Other scenario is go to one table. I will show you in which places it will be more useful. You'll get more clarity. Go to /o SC11. There is other options. We'll check it. We'll do that later. Value table, other cases in the domain section. Go to here. Table name is SFlight. SFLIGHT.
Should I delete this, sir?
Oh, you can read that. SFlight. You can write SFlight.
S slide, sir.
SFlight. S for Singapore.
Oh,
S flight. S for Singapore. Flight. FLIGHT. All of you do it parallelly. This one. Click on display. It is a standard field, a standard table, or a custom table.
standard.
How do we say it's standard? Hello. So based on what you are seeing, standard table, this one, not a custom table. Because starting name of the table is not
Man.
automatically starting with Z, right? Not starting with Z. Okay, how many primary keys are there in this table?
One.
Only one primary key. How many fields are there part of the primary key?
Four.
How many? Four, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Client to see the right side short description. First understood what information it is going to store this table. See the short description. And see the description, short description of the right side. So what type of information it is going to store? Flight?
Like,
Information, right?
Mm.
Right? Flight connection number, flight date, right? Airfare, local currency of airline, aircraft type, right? Maximum capacity in economy class. So this is like a flight information, right? How do you see the contents of this flight? Records. Okay. How many fields are there in this table? Fields. How many fields are there? Number of fields.
seventeen.
17, right? You see there one of 17.
Yes.
You see on your screen, right side, huh? Do you see 1 of 17? That is number of fields. Okay.
Seven.
Records, how do you find the records? If you want to see the records of this table, how do you go? Which button should click here? Records. Which button we should click here to see the records of the table? Anyone? Hello?
In the contents.
That's for which button we should click on this screen? Yes. Right, 1 second. If you click on number of entries, what will happen? Hello. Click the number of entries. What is this one? What is that? 395 means? How many records? How many records, right? Simple. Contents means records, right? How many records are there?
355.
355. Cancel this screen. What is this screen you call? What you see currently? Whatever you are seeing currently, what is this screen we call?
Data browser.
This is the selection screen we call as input screen. It will give you you can filter here the data. Now what button you should click here to see the data? Which button you should click here? On this screen, no? Which button you should click to see the records? Anyone?
Exit.
Yes. This is the records. Okay. Column names, right? So and so flight, so and so connection ID, flight date, price, currency, flight date, seats maximum is available in this flight, seats occupied, okay, payment sum. Okay, this is the data. This is a dummy table SAP provided for the training purpose. Okay, click on back. Back. Okay. So next, go to one more table. 1 second, 1 second. See the data. See the data. Contents. Go to contents again. Again, execute here. Right. So it is repeating carry ID, right? Is it allowed? How it is repeating? Carry ID is repeating, right? Yeah.
Sir.
Primary key should not repeat, right?
Yes, sir.
But how it is repeating? Anyone can answer, think and tell me. Primary key means there should not be any duplicate records, right? But yeah is repeating, right? Anyone can think and tell me. Hello. Right? Anyone think of why it is having the duplicate records? AAE. Anyone? Question understood or not? Hello? Carried is primary key, right? But primary key is repeating value. It should not repeat, right? Any answer? See, primary key means group of fields, right? Group of fields will be unique data. Check it, there is any data repeating. Group of fields with AA and 0017, 100. Do you see any record? This combination. Check the combination, Are you getting? Hello?
Like this both.
Right? Combination. This combination is unique, right? First three fields combination. First three fields combination. You don't
Okay.
see any repeat, right? Combination. You understood, right? What is the meaning of combination?
Yes, sir.
Combination. That is the concept. Go back. Go to one more table. Back. Back. It's custom. Your table name is custom. Click on display. That is the customer. Customer information here. Flight customer information. Okay. Stay to address here. Now click on back. There you can see the data. Go to contents. Go to there, same table. Go to display. Contents.
It's
Execute. This is the flight customer data. Right? Or customer information. Whoever is flying. Click on back. What is the primary key in this table? Click on back.
mandate and ID.
Customer number. Here customer number is the primary key.
Hmm.
So with the customer number, unique records will be available in this table. Now go to one more table. S book.
Yes, books.
S book. S for Singapore. B for display. This is customer booking details. Click on display. Right. You can see all the customer data. Booking data. Do you see customer type? There is one field, cust type. Cust type. Right. Double click that cust type.
So
That-
where is it?
There is a field customer type, right?
Yes, sir.
What the data element name for that?
Character.
No, data type name. Data element name. What is data element name? S underscore.
S_custom.
Double click that. What is the domain name here? Domain name.
S_.
Yes, double click again that domain name. Yeah. Right? Go to value range. Right? You can see here, private customer right? Business customer. Like this fixed values, if you want to store, you can save it so that this value will be proposed as a input values while you are entering the data into the table. Click on back. Back. Next, go to one more row. Smoker. Next field, smoker. Right? Data element. Double click the data element. Go to domain. Double click the domain. Go to value range. Right? You can see here the fixed values you can give. So that while entering the data into this field table, you enter only either X or not X. So X means that people will be category as a smoker. Like this. Okay, now so you can practice here up to here. I'll stop here today class. I think let me make a host. You can make me host. Rick, no, I can make it. Okay. I'll stop recording.